today we are going to discuss application of Pascal's law. Okay, what we are going to discuss here, application of Pascal's law, and this is a typical diagram which is called as the hydraulic brakes. Hydraulic brakes. Okay, what is Pascal's law? Pressure applied at or at any point to an enclosed fluid is transmitted equally or undiminished in all possible directions. Okay, point number 1. So what is Pascal's law here? Pressure applied to an enclosed fluid at any point. Enclosed means fluid should be wrapped or enclosed in a container or a cylinder or whatever it is. So pressure applied to an enclosed fluid is transmitted undiminished in all possible directions. This is called the Pascal's law. This is one application of Pascal's law which is called hydraulic brakes. What are hydraulic brakes? They are used to stop the speed of very heavy fast moving vehicles. म्हणजे तुम्ही रिक्षा किंवा टू व्हीलर फोर व्हीलरचा प्रश्न नाही, हेवीली लोडेड व्हेकल्स असतात ना, त्या हेवीली लोडेड व्हेकल्सच्या मोशनला स्टॉप करण्याचं काम हायड्रॉलिक ब्रेक्स करतं. दे आर यूज्ड टू अप्लाय ब्रेक्स टू heavy vehicles to stop them. Okay, that is called the hydraulic brakes. The hydraulic brakes mechanism consists of two types of cylinders. One is something called as the master cylinder. Master cylinder. This is the master cylinder which is of smaller area of cross section A1. This is the master cylinder which is of small area of cross section A1. Fitted with a piston. Piston म्हणजे स्टोला जसा पंप असतो ना, हे बघा हा पार्ट आतला. This is the piston. Like this. Okay. This is the master cylinder which is of smaller area of cross section, that is A1. We fitted with a piston. These are the two cylinders which are called as the slave cylinders, which are of area of cross section A2, and these cylinders are comparatively larger in size. म्हणजे master cylinder हा small असतो, slave cylinders of area of cross section A2 are larger in size. करने का क्या? Simple. फक्त लक्षात घ्या Pascal's law. I am going to apply pressure at any point in an enclosed fluid is transmitted equally in all possible directions. मला करायचं काय आहे? I want to stop the speed of a heavy fast moving vehicle. For that, point number 1, master the piston, the brakes, the brake pedal. Pedal म्हणजे paddle, सायकलचं paddle कसं असतं तसं. This is the brake pedal here. The brake pedal attached to the master cylinder is pushed, due to which this piston gets pushed in the forward direction. How does the piston move? It moves in the push the pedal. The piston moves in the forward direction. The piston of the master cylinder, once it pushes in the forward direction, everywhere tubes are present which contains the enclosed oil. हे सगळीकडे oil असतं. Small amount of force gets converted into larger force. Since the pressure applied at any point is transmitted undiminished in all directions, the pressure is distributed equally in all the points at all the parts of the fluid enclosed in the tube. या ट्यूब मध्ये जे काय फ्लुइड किंवा ऑइल घातलंय त्याच्यात ते प्रेशर इक्वली ट्रान्समिट होतो, and that is how the pressure is applied to the slave cylinders of area of cross section A2, which pushes the piston attached to the slave cylinder in the forward direction. मुलांनो इथं गाडी थांबत नाही. ह्या slave cylinders हे जे piston आहे, once it gets pushed in the forward direction, dear students, what happens is there is a rotating rotating disc there. They push as एक rotating disc असतं, फिरत असतं ते. हा, त्याला चाक लावलेलं असतं. ते rotating disc फिरता फिरता एक friction pad असतो, तो pad त्याला press केला जातो त्या rotating discला. Rotating disc is attached with the wheel of the vehicle, wheel thumb. Okay, I'll repeat. Hydraulic brakes work on the principle of Pascal's law. It consists of a master cylinder of area of cross section A1 smaller in size and slave cylinders of area of cross section A2 larger in size. करने का क्या? Apply the brake pedal. The piston of area of cross section of the master cylinder gets pushed in the forward direction. The pressure is applied to the oil which is distributed through the tubes of the hydraulic brakes. Pressure is transmitted undiminished and the same amount of pressure is applied to these two slave cylinders of larger area of cross section, hence enabling the pistons attached to push in the forward direction. Once the pistons get pushed in the forward direction, what happens? Friction pad असतो, तो pad असा थांबला जातो. ह्याला एक चाक असतं, rotating disc असतं, ते थांबतं. And that is how the wheel stops. Wheel of the vehicle stops. So apply the brake pedal, फिरवला, piston पुढे सरकला, pressure is transmitted via the oil to the slave cylinders. The pistons move in the forward direction, push against the friction pad of the brake pedal. Push against the friction pad, rotating disc थांबला, wheel is applied upon by brakes. Ends the job. This is the mechanism of something called as hydraulic brakes. झालं. हा एक पार्ट झाला. आता पुढचा. We'll deal with the next part. It's very easy actually. मुलांनो 3:3:5 रेशियो केला. 3 years प्रायमरी, 3 years सेकंडरी, 5 years हायस्कूल. म्हणजे मुलांचं शिक्षण 11वी पर्यंतच हायस्कूल संपणार होता. हां, तुम्ही 11वीतच 12वी शिकणार. हे तुमच्या बॅचला नाही. बॅड न्यूज. दॅट इज फॉर द अपकमिंग बॅचेस. ठीक आहे, आता त्याला काही करता येत नाही, त्यामुळे वेट हो वैसे ही. ओके, इट्स नॉट फॉर युअर बॅचेस, इट इज फॉर द अपकमिंग बॅचेस. एज्युकेशन पॅटर्न जो आहे तो बदलला. For the upcoming batches, the education will be only up to 11th, not to 12th. 12th नसणारच त्याला. Anyways, please concentrate. We'll go to the second application of Pascal's law, which is the mercury barometer. Easy. Mercury barometer was invented by a scientist who was called Torricelli. Vermicelli, Torricelli, हे सगळे Italians. Mercury barometer is an instrument used to measure the atmospheric pressure. It consists of the following parts. हे बघा, mercury barometer was invented by scientist Torricelli. It is basically mercury barometer चा use काय? It is basically used to measure the atmospheric pressure. Students, मी एक फॉर्म्युला वापरणार. कुठचा? P2 is equal to P1, जे आपण लास्ट पिरियडला प्रूव्ह केलंय. फायनल प्रेशर P2 is equal to pressure P1 plus h rho g. H is the height of the liquid column, rho is the density, and g is the acceleration due to gravity. Okay, mercury barometer is used to measure what? Atmospheric pressure, pressure of the atmosphere. It consists of, पूर्वीचा काळ तो, त्यामुळे काय मोठी मेकॅनिझम नसते. It consists of a container enclosing mercury. A tube is taken. A tube filled with mercury is taken and poured over the converter in over the container. हा तुमचा container containing mercury. This is a tube filled with mercury. This is the tube filled with mercury placed upside down over the surface of the container. Container च्या surface वरती tube अशी ओतायची. एक नॉर्मल कॉमन गोष्ट आहे काय, ट्यूब वॉज फिल्ड विथ मर्क्युरी. वन्स इट इज poured upon the container, some gap is created at the bottom of the tube. इथं गॅप तयार झाली, कशी काय, ओतलं गेलं ना ते बाहेर, थोडंसं काय ना ओतलं गेलं. सो अ गॅप इज क्रिएटेड at the bottom of the inverted tube. A gap is created, no air, nothing, but contains only mercury vapor. थोडाफार mercury vapor तयार होतो त्याच्यात. It does not contain air. It contains mercury vapor. Let me say mercury vapor is equivalent to vapor of vacuum, and hence the pressure is 0. Pressure is 0. Consider important points here. Point B, which is inside the tube, but on the surface of the container. Point C, which is on the surface of the container respectively. Point C कशी आहे, on the surface of the container. Point is also on the surface of the container but inside the tube. Meaning B and C are in the same horizontal level. हा फॉर्म्युला वापरा. Pressure P2. What is pressure at C? Pressure at C is equal to the atmospheric pressure, and that is P0. How do you say that? Because C is the surface of mercury which is exposed to air. So pressure at P is P0. म्हणजे काय? P2 is atmospheric pressure, and that is P0. What about P1? P1 is this, students, which is created due to placing the glass tube in inverted position over the container. Gap तयार झाली, mercury vapor तयार झाला, उस pressure is taken as 0 झालं. P1 is what? 0. So what do we get here? P0 is condition घालायचं. P0 is equal to 0 plus H rho. Rho is the density of mercury, and therefore you get P0 is equal to H rho G. This is how you measure the atmospheric pressure using what? Using mercury barometer. What do? We measure the atmospheric pressure using what? Mercury barometer. कड़ा क्या करने का? Take a tube containing mercury, place it in upside down position or inverted position. A small little gap is created at the bottom because of the flowing of liquid inside the container. Consider 2 points. B on the liquid surface but inside the tube. C on the liquid surface but outside the tube. Vapor तयार झाला, whose pressure is taken as pressure of vacuum, which is 0 झालं. Condition हा फॉर्म्युला वापरायचा. P2 is equal to P1 plus H rho G. P2 is equal to P0 because P0 is the atmospheric pressure at point C which is exposed to air. P1 is 0, ends the job. Is it okay? हे काय? Mercury barometer. Clear concept? चलो. For today I will stop. Tomorrow we will continue again. Bye for today. चलो.